This is your local news brief for Friday, August 27th, 2021. As of August 26th, Pasadena has reported a total of 12,646 COVID-19 cases and 354 COVID-related deaths. According to Pasadena's COVID vaccine dashboard, 92.4% of Pasadena residents have received at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, and 83.6% are fully vaccinated. The number of quarantines and confirmed positive COVID-19 tests in the Pasadena Unified School District shows that the positivity rate has increased considerably. The total number of students and staff forced to quarantine as a result of community or site transmission across PUSD is now at 344. Currently, the district is requiring regular temperature checks and screenings before students enter campus. During a school board meeting, staff recommended that all eligible students be required to show proof of vaccination or commit to weekly testing. The deadline to show proof of vaccination is October 15th. LA County has updated its rules for youth sports. Weekly COVID-19 testing will be required for most sports, and masks will be required for all indoor activity. The latest rules and recommendations from the LA County Department of Public Health come during an ongoing surge of COVID cases fueled by the Delta variant. Weekly COVID-19 tests are required for those involved in youth sports considered high or moderate risk. High-risk sports include basketball, boxing, football, ice hockey, lacrosse, martial arts, soccer, water polo, and wrestling. Moderate-risk sports include baseball, cheerleading, dance, dodgeball, field hockey, kickball, softball, tennis, and volleyball. Testing must be performed within 48 hours of competition, and results must be available before the competition begins. The updated recommendations and rules provide an exception for water sports, such as swimming, water polo, or diving, but face masks must be worn when participants are not in the water. Teams are also encouraged to adjust practices to diminish sustained person-to-person contact and consider limiting the number of participants who visit restrooms or locker rooms at any given time. The Rose Bowl game, played on New Year's Day, should become one of the College Football Playoff's annual quarterfinal games. So says a proposal by the Tournament of Roses Management Committee Chair. According to a memo obtained by Pasadena Now, the proposal was sent to commissioners of the Pac-12 and other football conferences. In the memo, former tournament president Laura Farber called for the development of an independent media contract with the Rose Bowl game, its partner conferences, and a telecast entity for an annual quarterfinal game. The College Football Playoff is considering expanding from 4 to 12 teams. This would move the Rose Bowl game from its traditional date on New Year's Day. The city of Pasadena and the Tournament of Roses are currently embroiled in a lawsuit over the rights to the name Rose Bowl game, but the tournament has confirmed the authenticity of the memo. For Pasadena Media, I'm Joe Carbonetta.